What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best pressure cookers in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off today with the Ninja Foodi Pressure Cooker, Steamer, and Air Fryer, also known as the best multifunction pressure cooker you can find on the market in 2021. This fella is a bit big, but offers a vast variety of options. Packed with a set of 2 lids, Ninja Foodi is an extremely versatile kitchen appliance that can serve as a pressure cooker, grill, and deep fryer. A 9-in-1 device. Combining the speed of pressure cooking and the ability to fry and roast, the Ninja Foodi can do everything from roasting whole chicken to golden brown perfection to producing up to 2.5 pounds of French fries. The device works by using 2 different lids, a pressure cooker for speed when you need dinner and a fixed lid when you want to fry up to 75% less fat. Whether you feel like having a healthy grilled chicken or vegetables, or French fries, or want to enjoy tasty stuff like slow-cooked pork or fish and chips, the Foodi multi-cooker has your back. There are 3 basic ways to use it, with a separate lid for pressure cooking, plus steaming, slow cooking, and stewing, with an enclosed lid for air cooking, baking, roasting, and broiling, or without a lid to simmer. Inside the device is a removable pan for use on its own, or with a cook and crisp basket or reversible grill. The slow cooker works just like other stoves, with a choice of strong or high heat or pressure. All cooking times can be set in minutes. Plus, there's a handy pause function when the sharp lid is opened, so you can peek inside and check the progress. The idea of the Ninja Foodi is not just a pressure cooker and a deep fryer, but to combine both for a great quick meal. Therefore, it's not surprising that the enclosed brochure includes recipes that use more than one way of cooking, such as a homemade pie cooked under pressure with a topping of baked potatoes. The cleaning process is fairly simple. All utensils, including the bowl, can be washed in the dishwasher, but are just as easy to wash by hand. The device comes in the size of 14.25 by 16.75 by 13.1 inches, as well as a weight of 24.9 pounds. Good stuff. The next product we'll talk about today is the Tefal pressure cooker, to which we decided to award the title of the best stovetop model in this niche you can find on the market in 2021. This fella is designed using lightweight, high-quality stainless steel that offers exceptional performance and easy maintenance. Furthermore, the device sports a securely closed lid, so you can easily keep the stove under pressure during cooking time without losing heat and without your food losing nutrients and taste. When the pressure is high, the sealing cap will prevent it from opening, securing your safety. The Tefal pressure cooker also has a steam metering valve to relieve excess pressure and ensure pressure levels that are safer for the user. The pressure control valve makes it easy to squeeze out settings that suit your cooking purpose. Also, a special feature is the addition of a zipper, which is patented or prevents insects from escaping or entering the cooker. With all these features, the addition of the Tefal P25107 to your kitchen arsenal will help you have a good time and prepare better food. This product is made of durable and light stainless steel and is very easy to clean, whether you want to do it by hand or in the dishwasher. There are also ideas for preparing different dishes such as roasts, stews, soups, and vegetables to make the most of this appliance. Another advantage of this product is that it can be used on glass or ceramic kilns, so there'll be no problems. Compared to other classic cooking methods, the Tefal pressure cooker reduces cooking time while cooking up to 70% faster while retaining all the natural flavors and nutrients. Users also point out the price tag, which is fair and affordable for such a highly efficient and durable device. As for the shortcomings, some users point out the slightly smaller capacity, as well as the fact that the product does not come with a measuring device. But overall, this is a top-notch choice. The Tefal pressure cooker comes in the size of 18.1 by 11.5 by 10.5 inches, while the weight is 8 pounds. If you want to save a bit of money and at the same time get a product of solid performance that checks all the key boxes, we have specially selected Hawken Classic 3-liter for you, also known as the best budget pressure cooker that can be found in the market in 2021. The Hawkins Classic pressure cooker is the best-selling and most popular cooker in the company's entire catalog. The device is quite simple but includes all the key features and advantages of the latest models out there. It maintains the same design as its predecessors, which have been continuously redesigned to incorporate the latest technologies and innovations over the years. One of the latest innovations is the improvement of a pressure regulation system that's able to regulate more precisely for greater control of food cooking and achieving the best results. The product includes a safety valve located under the handle. Grasping the handle and pulling it down, the valve allows steam to flow down and away from the person operating the pressure cooker. Also, the rubber seal goes through minimal wear because it's not directly exposed to steam from the inside, which means that in perfect condition, it lasts much longer than other pressure cookers on the market. In addition, the Hawken Classic 3-liter is suitable for all types of stoves, including induction. The handle is always kept cool and all joints are designed for minimal wear. As the name says, the capacity is 3 liters and is made of pure aluminum for higher durability. The device comes in gray and has the size of 14 by 7.9 by 6.5 inches, as well as a weight of 3.8 pounds. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. But what if you want something beyond the budget realm? Well, let's pick it up a notch, shall we? If you can spare a few extra dollars to treat yourself with a device of the highest quality, loaded with premium features, look no further than the Breville Fast Slow Pro Pressure Cooker, the best premium pressure cooker to be found on the market in 2021. Breville is known for award-winning kitchen appliances designed to inspire folks to easily produce perfect meals and food in their homes, and this is one of those products. From espresso machines to food processing machines, the innovations in every appliance they make are thrilling. Breville makes the process a pleasure and a perfect end result every time. Breville Fast Slow Pressure Cooker offers 3 separate buttons for you to select different modes of operation. The first one is for the preset dishes selection, the second one is to adjust the temperature, while the third to adjust the time. Then you can press the start button and you're off to the races. The large LCD screen also clearly shows the settings you've selected. We found that it's much easier than other machines to use the arrow keys to scroll through each option before blocking the one you want. The lid opens on hinges, so you don't have to hold it or put it on the counter while serving and stirring. There's also an automatic pressure release button. This allows you to press a button on the front of the machine about 10 inches from the pressure valve to release the accumulated steam. We think this is a better option than all the other models that require you to turn the valve by hand right next to the resulting steam tower. Breville Fast Slow Pro comes with 11 different cooking settings to allow you to enjoy your favorite recipes. Also, there's a 3-way safety system with a safety cover and a safety valve, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Thanks to the Keep Warm function, you'll be able to postpone a meal and serve it whenever it suits you. The Breville Fast Slow Pro comes with a capacity of 6 liters, with 1 liter being the minimum. Cleaning and maintenance are quite easy as the product comes with a removable ceramic prepared food preparation container. The Breville Fast Slow Pro Pressure Premium Cooker comes in the size of 12.5 by 13.5 by 14 inches, while the weight is 14 pounds. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Thanks to its excellent price-quality ratio, premium service, and top-level performance, we can unanimously conclude that the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is the best overall pressure cooker you can find on the market in 2021. We are looking at a multifunctional cooking appliance that can deliver the goods as a slow stove, rice cooker, steamer, and also enables food heating and food preparation. 14 cooking programs are integrated into the device, along with 3 temperature settings for slow cooking, stewing sauce, and strong cooking of meat. Made of stainless steel, it has a high power of 1,000 watts. The volume is 6 liters, and the weight is about 11 pounds. The device is quiet and can cook all types of food, which is a great plus. The product has a large control panel that makes it easy to see the information displayed. The cover handles are suitable both for right-handed and left-handed users, while cooking time and the duration of the food are set so that at the end of the cooking, the appliance automatically switches to the heating mode for a maximum of 10 hours. That way you won't have to eat burnt food anymore. Furthermore, it's possible to delay cooking your meals for up to 24 hours. Even better, the Instant Pot Duo is equipped with approved security mechanisms. It is very economical, has 2 layers of insulation and temperature regulation by means of micropressure that can reduce energy consumption up to 70%. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is intended for all households looking for a simple, efficient, and fast way to prepare food, delivering the goods for up to 8 people. This pressure cooker is intended for everyone who wants to save time in preparing their meals. Very practical, there is no need to master a recipe before you prepare it. Just look at the cookbook that came with the purchase of this device. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.